Hello everyone, today we discuss about top 5 best PC for gaming and video editing. In this video we describe 5 best PC without lagging any game. So guys, let's go. Number 5. ACE PC AK1 Mini PC. Faster running speed. ACE PC AK1 Mini PC equips with Windows 10 Pro Intel Celeron Apollo Lake J3455 quad-core processor. AMD loaded with 4GB RAM, 64GB flash memory, Bluetooth 4.0 fast Wi-Fi and Gigabit Ethernet. Powerful hardware makes it run more smoothly and stable. Euros expands storage by multi-ways. 1.fit mSATA SSD to the mSATA slot inside the main UNIT mSATA SSD up to 128GB, but not included by this way. You can choose to clone the pre-installed Win10 into the SSD. 2. It's expandable, with the addition of up to 2TB of 2.5-inch SSD or HDD fitted in the base expansion box. Strong Wireless supports the latest wireless connectivity with 802.11 AC dual band 2.4 and 5G HC Wi-Fi. Number 4. HP Flagship Pro Desktop Computer. 4. This certified refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories, a minimum 90-day warranty, and may arrive in a generic box. Only select sellers who maintain a high-performance bar may offer certified refurbished products on Amazon.com. HP 6300 SFFI 53470 processor 3.2 GHz, up to 3.6 GHz, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD DVD-ROM Intel inbuilt graphics only basic USB Wi-Fi adapter. USB keyboard and mouse. Windows 10 Professional 64-bit installed chipset, Intel Q75 Express. Number 3. Chewy Hero Box. Faster running speed. Chewy Hero Box Mini PC equips with 64-bit Windows 10 Intel Gemini Lake N4100 quad-core processor. AMD loaded with 8GB DDR4 RAM, 180GB SSD ROM. Powerful hardware makes it run more smoothly and stable. Expands storage by multi-ways. Supports SATA HDD up to 2TB and TF card up to 128GB. Meanwhile, it comes with 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports and Type-C VGA and HD port are also available, and the HD port can output 4K 60fps video. Greatly improved transmission frequency. The latest wireless connectivity with dual band 2.4G plus 5G Wi-Fi. It offers speeds up to 450 megabits per second on the 2.4G HZ band and 1300 megabits per second on the 5G HZ. Fanless and silence design. Very silent with great performance. This mini PC adopts energy-efficient components and cooling elements. There is no noisy during operating, and the resolution up to 4096 2160 at 60Hz and plays 4K video smoothly. Great home theater PC. The mini desktop computer comes with 4K ultra-high-definition streaming capability, giving you a best-in-class television experience with true-to-life picture quality which can be used as a media center to enjoy TV shows or games. Number 2. Beelink X45 Mini PC. Beelink Gemini X45 Mini PC. Small and portable 115-102 43mm in size, metal shell design with mirror surface on the top. With 4 USB 3.0 port, 1 headphone jack, 1 1000mm LAN port, 2 HDMI 2.0 port, 1 12 VDC port and 1 TF port, include VESA mount pre-install Windows 10, 64-bit home basic system latest Gemini Lake Celeron J4105 CPU, and Intel UHD Graphics 600, Beelink X45, built-in latest Intel Gemini Lake Celeron J4105 CPU, 4-core 4 threads cache 4M, up to 2.4 GHz, with Intel UHD Graphics, 602 HDMI 2.0 port, 4K 60Hz. You can extend the mini PC to dual 4K monitor or 4K TV, enjoy ultra-true 4K video. Large storage 6GB DDR4 plus 128GB mSATA SSD LPDDR4 6GB 2400 MTS. Number 1. HP Business Desktop ProDesk 600. Windows 10 Professional Intel i5 to 6500 quad-core 3.2 GHz 6th Gen i5 8GB DDR4 RAM 256GB SSD Gigabit Ethernet Intel integrated video USB KB mouse, included best gaming experience weekend streaming with PC. High-level speed and you don't face any type of lag in this PC while we playing any type of games. Thanks for watching video, please make sure like, share, subscribe, and comment below the comments section. Thank you.